Hello gentle people, it's your girl Shirley. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you all. I wish you prosperity and good health in 2023. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you how I decorated my kitchen after Christmas. It's quite simple and neutral, so do enjoy and thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and leave your comment. In my previous video, I just mentioned this is the first time I'm ever decorating for winter. I know I didn't have much of a winter decor, but I just tried to do enough with what I have. So give me your feedback on how my decoration look. Right here, I have a tray. This tray is quite beautiful. It's black, gray, gold and white. You can see there, and this was from Burlington. I bought it early up in the year. I also have this mini jar here, which I use to store candies. And if you come to my house, you know I always have candies, so candies are always in here. And my candy here is from Ross. I also have my wax trimmer. This beautiful white vase came from Home Goods. I bought it recently. I was looking for more for beige color, but this is what they had, so it works fine for me. And these greeneries were from, I think, Hobby Lobby. I got them from Hobby Lobby in November of last year. So here they are. So to the setup right here, on this section here, I don't want to turn the camera because I'm still not completed my living room, so I'm just entering from this section here without giving you a sneak peek of what I have behind me. So my area is an open concept, so nothing is blocked off. So right here I have a little riser, which I put these are my sponges for washing, and I have here hand soap, and in the blue one over there I have the dishwashing soap. So here I have my fruit basket there. Right there, my fruit basket. I have some ginger, apples, bananas, oranges right there. And that's the arrangement that we have there on the tree right here. Now I'm coming from this end. Alright, so I'm actually showing you the top of my cupboards. I have this wall art, cappuccino. This has been a stationary piece since I moved into this house. I do have these beautiful vases that I purchased from Burlington. Was it Burlington? Yes, I believe it was Burlington. I purchased two of them. One is on the other side, and I put some greenery in it. When you turn to this side, I have a sign says eat there, and I have this picture that I used to place some greenery, some eucalyptus in it, right there. And then I just attached that clock. It was too cute to be not put in my decor, so I just attached it right there. I just sincerely hope it doesn't fall. So that's on top of I put the kettle on, if you can see, on a little riser there to give it a little more height when compared to the others. So you can see up there, here's the other one on this side, and both vases were under $10, I believe, from Burlington, and the greenery were left over from Christmas, so I incorporated them. Over here I have my coffee station, chocolate station, tea station. Now here I have tea, and then I would have, like, in here I would have like my ginger, my mint, my cerasee or bitter lemon. I have chamomile here and ginger, along with some green tea. Over here I have my coffee, and then in here I have my hot cocoa mix. Now most of these items, I should say all of these items right here, came from Ross. I have this black mug stand, and I have some white and gold mugs on it. Now I originally had a neutral color wooden mug stand. I'm going to show it to you right here. But the problem I had with this is that I'm going to remove this mug here, and I'm going to show you. When I place the mug here, they would slide off. See? It's not standing. So although it will fit in more with the decor, I think, for the safety of my mugs, yes, I don't want to break anything, I decided to take them off. Although I probably could have just put 4 mugs instead of 6. For the safety of my mugs, I decided to take them off and use a black stand instead. So these mugs were from Burlington. The stands were from Burlington. This says Count Your Blessings. I think I had this maybe roughly over a year or more, and at the time it was $3.99 for it at Burlington. Now they're $5.99. These were purchased in the summer of last year, and they were, I think it was $4.99 or $5.99, and I have 4 of them, but they have different, if you can see, they have different patterns on them. And I think these are from the Gibson Home brand, and these ones are from Anatural. Okay. Over here I have, you could say, my sweeteners. I have my honey here. This container came from Ross. I have my I have my syrup dispensers. These I bought from Amazon. And then here I have a transparent container with a gold lid that I used to store my my chocolate bombs that I had from Christmas last year. And then this beautiful kettle, white and gold kettle, came from Ross. And my tray here is also from Ross. So here you have the coffee bar right here. Quite, let me remove this out of the way. Quite beautiful, but simple. Okay, over here, I have my Instant Pot. This is a staple item. Staple because it's heavy and it's used maybe every day, so it's hard to be moving it back and forth from under the cupboards to on top of the cupboard. So I just let it stay right there, and it's quite useful. Now, in all my decor, I always try to put some greenery in my kitchen. Whether it be whatever the season is, there's also always some greenery here. And right here I have this small riser that I got from from Ross recently. It's 2 came in the pack and they were $9.99 each. It's not very tall, but it works. On it I placed this white and gold pot with some greeneries in it, and then I just put a golden metallic apple that I have. This artichoke came from Home Goods. I think it was $12.99, and it's a recent find. These have the apple and the plant stand. I had them from last year, but the stand here, the riser, is new. Also the artichoke. Everything right here I already had, so I didn't buy much to decorate my kitchen. I have my utensil holder from Home Goods. The utensils were for Home Goods. I think these golden, I have 2 gold ones here. They were from Ross. And I think I have some 2 white ones around the back there. They are from Ross also. And as you can see, my colors are quite represented in this utensil jar here. Now I have my black pepper grinder and my salt grinder here right next to the stove, and my mortar and pestle right there, and everything is placed on this Lazy Susan, wooden Lazy Susan right here. Over here I have my vinegar and oil dispenser in a white tray, and over here I do have my spoon rest on my stove, gold. Here I have my 2 kitchen towels, and on the floor there I have my beautiful rug which I got from Home Goods recently. Okay, and over here I have my If you know, you know. Yeah. So over here I have my nightstand. I originally wanted white and gold, but they were so expensive. They were like $70 to $120, and I went to Ross and I saw this for only $23. So I snatched it, and it works well in the area. And then you have the wooden tone right there, the wooden tone coming out right there. Over here I have the same arrangement with the greenery and the apple. And over here my artichoke. Over here I have my paper towel holder. That was from Amazon. And then I have these cutting boards that I got from, I think maybe Burlington and Ross together. So simple arrangement.